A few days ago, you heard about a school where cyber hackers got on the network and caused damage. Then you heard the hackers got in because someone clicked a phishing link. Now you're being asked how you will keep that from happening in your school. You know MFA helps prevent phishing, but some places don't want cell phones. And let's be honest, phone-based MFA is annoying. That's where ClassLink's Passkeys can help, and for no additional cost. Passkeys are a great innovation for MFA login from a laptop or tablet assigned to you. And Passkeys don't require a phone. It works by using that same laptop or tablet in place of your phone to prove your identity, and it's super fast. Setup is easy. First, set up Passkey on your laptop or tablet. Then log in to ClassLink as you normally would. You then click Passkey in your profile settings and add that device to your ClassLink Passkey library. Just repeat these steps on all the devices you use to log into ClassLink. There's no limit to the passkeys you can add to your ClassLink profile. From then on, using a passkey for ClassLink on that device is simple. You enter your regular username and click the passkey button. You actually skip entering your password, which makes signing in even faster than usual. Also, cyber insurance companies accept passkeys as an alternative to MFA to protect against phishing. Now, while you protect your school against phishing attacks, you can give everyone who has an assigned computer something to cheer about. Passkeys, fast and secure logins that don't require phone-based MFA. To learn more about how ClassLink supports fast and phoneless MFA on all your assigned devices, visit classlink.com/passkey.